Girish, what is startup?
Very nice, simple question. There are a lot of myths actually, in the sense that startup बात करते रहते हैं, but no one really understands what startup means, right? So general understanding is कि startup का मतलब ये होता है कुछ नया कर रहे हैं तो you are doing something new, so it is called startup. It's an absolutely wrong understanding, and majority is of that. There are generally six type of startups. We typically go very much in detail about it in our course. The normal traditional understanding is startup means doing something new is wrong, and it is absolutely, I mean, it is a delusion which is created. Why? Because majority of funded unicorns that you see or startups that you see, I would not name it, but they are delivering tomatoes and they're delivering even condoms. You see, is it something new? Not at all. It's actually a dumb thing, but they are billion-dollar companies. So what needs to be realized is that the real understanding or definition of a startup is just not about doing something new, but how do you do it differently than the existing systems or process that exist right now. So you need to be very clear and understand this very clearly, that, and which is the example that the unicorn, the startups who have got the funding, that it is not necessarily that you need to do something different, new altogether. In fact, there are many times when people who are doing something really new and doesn't exist, they don't get funding. So the question is good. Typically the answer is that the general understanding that startup means doing something new is wrong, and one must understand there are typically six types of startups, which we difficult to speak here right now. Uh, the important is that a startup generally is recognized the way they actually do and execute things differently. Typically, that is the thing. So, yeah, I think it's clear.
Thank you so much, Girish sir. So my next question is, what is your PKC startup school?
See, this is exactly so. So, this basic question itself, what is a startup? It is like alphabet of startups. Majority of the youths of India do not have any understanding, and they don't care. Because you are a degree holder, so why you should care what is a startup? Unless you are an MBA or a BBA, probably there it has been discussed. So for the first time in India, what we are saying is that typically we are saying why should MBA have all the fun, number one. But that's not the purpose. We are not saying that we are replacing MBA and all that, no. We are bringing that high quality knowledge, business knowledge, that quality of ecosystem, including funding and the opportunities that so far is reserved only for elites and unicorn founders in India. So PKC is a business school for a common man and a woman.
Okay.
Our aim is to develop a successful entrepreneur in every home. I hope that's clear.
Thank you, sir. Sir, now is a Gen Z, Instagram, Facebook. Okay, people are following a lot of motivational speakers who are talking a lot about startup. I really want to know your view, like how PKC is different from other who are giving a session or who are talking about the startup. How it is different from others?
So, couple of questions you asked
Yeah.
actually, how others are doing and all that. So, a lot of things. First, the differentiation that I am bringing in is very important to know and understand. For me, entrepreneurship is not just about not doing a job and doing a business. This is the greatest lie ever told by degree holders, and this is the root cause of why 80% of the startups are failing because they are swimming in the swimming pool, not knowing the techniques. Blind swimming is happening. So the first question that typically you ask, how others are doing and how we are different. The entire thought process behind PKC Startup School is very different, coming from a different approach, that entrepreneurship is a way of life. And the moment you talk life in India, it is belonging to some enlightened master, or it belongs to some motivational speaker. Life means it has to go beyond your gentlemen. Entrepreneurship is not something other than your life, that you do degree first, then you do job first, and if you don't do job first, then you can. No, entrepreneurship is a way of life, life of legend. I hope you are able to understand with few words how differently different we are. It's an approach. We want to cultivate entrepreneurship societies, just not people who are doing their own business or want to do their own business. So majority, no, 99% of the people who so-called are startups, what they are doing is, they are saying, if you are doing a startup, come to me, I will tell you how to do it. That's not my approach, and that is why we are different, and that is why we call ourselves in the school. Now obviously your question demands that I should talk about what exactly we are teaching and all that, but this is not the right platform. But I hope in this context you have understood that there is something dramatically different that we are doing, which has not been done so far. So for me, in my startup school, for us, the students are just not coming because they want to build. Rather, we are opposite. We are saying you choose if you want to build. And the best part that could actually be possible and happening first time in India, that this program empowers you to choose and be the best, be it a job or be it a business. Typically because, you see, today's employer has nothing to do with what technical skills you have. It is a basic, it's a requirement. And even if it is not there, machines are there to do it, don't worry about it. What they are looking at is entrepreneurial human beings. From where it will come? Where is the education? Have you learned? We are living in the 21st century. Everything has to be logical. Tell me, did your degree tell you how to become an entrepreneurial human being?
No.
And entrepreneurship means doing business. It is such a dumb thing that is going around. Entrepreneurship is a way of life and has not been taught because, as I told you, the moment you talk life, then it belongs to motivation. Motivation is a disease. It is the dirtiest slavery I will call. You need motivation. You are a human being. You are so disconnected. That you are looking for a motivation. It is a pill. It is a cancer. So for the first time in India, we are bringing. I don't even use the word holistic education. We are changing the very nature of breaking that understanding and barriers that entrepreneurship is a way of life. And today I can proudly say that PKC is the only school that is able to. I'm not saying that we are the best, but yeah, it's a school that is with a huge difference. I hope it's clear.
Yeah, so Giri sir, the next question is that, so we are the second largest country with respect to the population. Okay, 70% are youth. Even our government have also some limitation. They cannot provide job to everyone. Okay, so what thought you have and what message you want to give for our youth, like how they will pursue their career, whether they look for job, whether they go for entrepreneurship, whether they do something of their own. So what is your thought on that?
Very, I would say it's a loaded question.
Yes.
So many things you have asked. We are having a larger population. We all know 80% of the youths are anyway unemployed. We all know it. It's a for given. A degree holder means 80% has to be unemployed. This is such a grave, situation. But just being So youths are being from one degree to another skill to another degree to another certificates. It's not going to help. It has not helped for one simple reason. I hope you can understand this very clearly and simply, that what is happening right now in the system is perfectly well, in the sense that India cannot give jobs to more than 20% youths. Because we have about 15-20% formal corporates who are employing for whom you want to, or our youth would like to work. But everybody is still running behind jobs. Number one. Number two, as I told you, one degree is over, don't get job, get another skill, get another reskill, get learn, unlearn, relearn, this, that. No one is understanding what is happening with that youth who is actually not unemployed, who is not employed, and going from one pillar to another. What are they doing? So, I hope you understand that being a larger population, jobs are limited, we all know it. Only way to succeed is to understand that as long as this myth exists, you have to understand this, as long as this myth exists that entrepreneurship means being job, we are not going to grow. Let me give you, and I hope it goes very correctly to you all, that for the first time in India, I am saying I am not a motivational speaker, a spiritual master is far away, politician absolutely not, and I don't want to become any of these. I am saying for the first time in India, I have brought up that a solution. I am not even talking about problem. I am not saying that you don't go to college or you don't do whatever you are doing, you do. Learn entrepreneurship as a way of life, which includes your choice of doing job or business. The moment you choose, you get success. You have to understand this science actually. This is a science. The success is possible, the real success is possible only when you have been empowered to choose. If I ask you a question, you studied, you did a degree. Actually, if I ask you, you don't know why you did a degree.
So,
it is a system.
sure, sir, sure.
Number one. Number two, you did a degree and sincerely you studied, you did not got a job. Is it your fault?
No.
The system is such that it is hiding that facts which actually disempowers you. You understand this?
Yes.
For the first time in India, we are bringing that consciousness in our school. So no message, live, experience, get empowered. And when you choose that this is what you want to do, there are two things that I must say that. वो हिंदी में एक कहावत है हमारे, आप किसी चीज को दिल से चाह लो तो सारी कायनात आपको वो चीज हासिल करने में मदद करती है. So that means when you really decide that I want to do something, it is existential. It is not happening. We are living disintegrated. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So my only request and suggestion for the youths of India is that beyond 20% jobs are not possible. We need more and more entrepreneurial human beings. Your education is unfit. I am not saying you don't do degree. Do whatever you want, but know that it is unfit. It is not you are unfit. Your education is unfit. So we are basically building an alternative education. We are saying we want to make entrepreneurship education as a mainstream. You have so many certification courses, right? This, that, AI and whatever not,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
We are saying entrepreneurship is, if you learn entrepreneurship as a startup, it's a wrong way of learning. So this is why we call ourselves as a startup school. Yeah, I hope kind of.
जी सर, एक प्रश्न है. अभी भारत सरकार या हमारा समाज महिला सशक्तिकरण के बारे में बात करती है, लेकिन बहुत दुख की बात है कि हमारा जो पुरुष प्रधान जो देश है, जिसमें कमाने वाला एक और खाने वाला पूरा परिवार रहता है, हमारा ऐसा सोसाइटी है कि महिलाएं हैं जो जॉब पे नहीं जाती हैं, और इंटरप्रेन्योरशिप या बिजनेस तो दूर की बात है। आपसे ये सवाल है कि जो हमारी 80% आबादी जो महिलाओं की है, दे आर अनएम्प्लॉयड, they don't have like they are well qualified, they have ability, they have potential, but I think they are suppressed somewhere. Do you have anything for women, or what is your message for women empowerment and entrepreneurship and business skill in women? Are will they will excel as far as like we consider men doing well in the business? महिलाओं का क्या, वो जो हमारी आधी आबादी है और उसमें 80% महिलाएं हैं जो हाउस वाइफ है, उनके लिए आपका क्या संदेश है कि कैसे उनको आगे आना चाहिए, और समाज में और गवर्नमेंट को जो बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ वैसा स्लोगन है, बट स्टिल 80% ऑफ वुमेन आर नॉट एम्प्लॉयड? दिस इज अ वेरी हार्श रियलिटी।
काफ़ी सीरियस क्वेश्चन है और बहुत सोशल, ये एक सोशल इशू भी है। और पीकेसी का महत्व उस पर ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है। ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारी बातें तो स्कूल में ही हो सकती हैं, होंगी भी, बट आपको शायद पता नहीं है, there are about 300 million women in India who do not step out of the home. ये बहुत बड़ी समस्या है। कहीं पे किसी स्तर पे काम भी हो रहा है, लेकिन जो मैंने कहा, जो काम हो रहा है उसको अगर उसी तरीके से करते रहेंगे तो कई और बरस निकल जाएंगे और हम हमेशा ही एक डेवलपिंग नेशन रहते ही रहेंगे। The whole purpose of building this entrepreneurial startup school is very, very, very clear and simple. We believe every youth of India, which includes both men and female, we are all equal, no?
Yes.
ये आपको थोड़ा सा समझना पड़ेगा, डीपली समझना पड़ेगा। ये अनइक्वालिटी आती कहाँ से है? मैंने कहा ना, मैं ज़्यादा फिलोसॉफिकल आदमी नहीं हूँ और मैं मोटिवेशनल तो हूँ ही नहीं। अगर आप रूट कॉज ऑफ दिस अनइक्वालिटी देखेंगे तो ये आती शिक्षा से ही। आपकी शिक्षा ही आपका आधार है, आपका आधार आपकी शिक्षा ही है। होती भी है, होती भी थी, होनी भी चाहिए, लेकिन शिक्षा का आधार गलत हो गया। अदरवाइज इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, हम क्यों अलग से बात कर रहे हैं?
राइट सर।
अगर मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर ह्यूमन बीइंग हूं, अगर मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर, if entrepreneurship is a way of life, then where is the question? Life does not discriminate. Does life discriminate? Existence के लिए सब सेम है। आपकी डिग्री एक मजाक कर रही है, वो पहले 80% अनएम्प्लॉयड जनरेट कर रही है, and there are articles that there are basically degrees are generating unemployable generations. हम लोग उस जिस लेवल की ग्रेविटी है उस पर बात नहीं कर पाते। पीकेसी का प्रोग्राम करने के बाद, स्टार्टअप स्कूल को समझने के बाद एक बात मेरी गारंटी है, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द वुमेन हैव नो आइडिया दैट retail is the one of the fastest growing industry economy in the world, and we are moving towards experiential economy, जहाँ पे आप कहीं पे भी हो, आप किसी घर में हो, आप कहीं पे भी बैठे हो, as long as you deliver experience to me, I will buy from you. So every woman actually can contribute to this, and you have no idea how much potential is, it's just dying every day. So it's not about, so आपका जो क्वेश्चन है, मेरे लिए ये क्वेश्चन एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता। ये क्वेश्चन एग्जिस्ट इसलिए कर रहा है क्योंकि ये एक चक्रव्यूह में फंसा दिया गया है सबको। डिग्री कर ली, समझ में नहीं आ रहा, जॉब है नहीं, and anyway I have, so especially for women, because they have the other priorities, because they have not understood entrepreneurial life, or they have not been empowered entrepreneurship as a life. So everyone is trying to choose. You can't choose. You need not choose. So that's the more power we are bringing into the whole education system. I mean, in our startup school, that it empowers you, as I told you. It empowers you. It gives you that knowledge. It gives you those secret codes which for centuries are making a man, a woman, a legendary. क्योंकि सिंपल बोलता हूं मैं आपसे, पूछता भी हूं, वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज के जो भी आज हम ब्रांड्स यूज करते हैं, वो क्या किसी दूसरे प्लेनेट से आए हुए हैं क्या? आज बात चल रही है ना कि आप जो है देसी यूज करो, ये सब आई थिंक इट इज ऑल कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस. सो आई होप आई बहुत कुछ बात कर सकते हैं, स्कूल में हम बात भी कर रहे हैं, बट
सर इतना हम लोग बात करें बिजनेस स्कूल में, एक बहुत कड़वा सच है. कड़वा सच ये है कि 70% जो हमारा स्टार्टअप है, दे डाई विदिन अ ईयर, एंड द नेक्स्ट अनदर around let's say 80 to 85% as a whole, they die within 5 years. ये इंडिया में स्टार्टअप कल्चर के लिए सही संकेत है? आपका इस पे क्या विचार है?
मेरा तो पर्पस ही सारा स्टार्टअप स्कूल चलाने का यही है कि जैसा मैंने आपसे कहा भी शायद कि सारी दुनिया को पता है 80% अनएम्प्लॉयड हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं घूम रहे हैं, ढूंढ रहे हैं, लेकिन nobody realize what is happening to that 80% of the youth which are actually out of the college doing nothing. It's a serious social problem. So the first thing is that the whole purpose of building and giving my life to this startup school is one. Startups are failing because that 76% of the 80% of the youth that is not employed, they are invariably doing their own business, which is called self-employed. What will happen if you swim in a swimming pool without knowing the techniques? What is supposed to happen? You are supposed to die invariably. How much ever you survive, it is God's grace. That is Babaji's under master feet. हम लोगों को इतनी सिंपल बात समझ में नहीं आ रही है कि हम पहली बात तो 20% से ज्यादा लोगों को जॉब नहीं मिल सकता, हमें पता है, लेकिन वहां पे आके हम छोड़ देते हैं कि 80% of the youths are invariably self-employed and they don't have any zero business management and human management knowledge. And when you say business management knowledge, it is not a small knowledge. It is only available to BBA and MBA. And do you know only 5 to 10% of the people in India are doing BBA and MBA. ये एक ऐसी समस्या है जिसका समाधान आज के डेट में पीकेसी स्कूल ही दे सकता है. क्या
सर एक सवाल है, बिल्कुल नया सवाल है. हमारा देश कृषि प्रधान देश है, और जब भी हम स्टार्टअप्स की बात करते हैं तो लोग इसको जोड़ते हैं बैंगलोर से, हैदराबाद से, मुंबई से, दिल्ली से. आपको नहीं लगता ये जो स्टार्टअप कल्चर है गांव-गांव, शहर-शहर तक पहुंचना चाहिए? और कृषि क्षेत्र में क्या स्टार्टअप जो कृषि हमारे जो किसान भाई हैं, वो ऐसा क्या करेंगे जो उनकी आमदनी दुगुनी हो? और ये स्टार्टअप कल्चर जो शहरों में, अभी गाँव में भी बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स आ रहे हैं, लेकिन उनको वैसा स्किल नहीं मिल पाता और उस तरह की उनकी ट्रेनिंग नहीं हो पाती, और उतना वो एफोर्डेबल बड़े-बड़े कॉलेजेस में भी नहीं जा सकते. जरा गांव के किसान सर, गांव के किसान जो हमारे अन्नदाता हैं, उनके लिए आपका क्या संदेश है?
आप सवाल काफी अच्छे पूछ रहे हैं एक्चुअली, और ये बिल्कुल नया है, और आपको ये मेरा सवाल सुन के आश्चर्य होगा शायद, बट यू हैव टू बिलीव इट और द यूजर्स हैव टू एक्सपीरियंस. मेरा पहला प्रोग्राम है हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जहाँ एक किसान का बेटा वो नॉलेज दे सकता है जो कुछ सपने में भी कभी नहीं सोच सकता कि ये एजुकेशन उसको मिल सकती है. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर ए बिजनेस स्कूल फॉर ए कॉमन मैन एंड वुमन. दैट्स व्हाट यू आस्क्ड मी, राइट? कि सर उतना खर्चा नहीं कर सकता. आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि अभी जो चल रहा है ना कि ग्रास रूट पे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, ये कैसा रिपेयर का काम है। जिंदगी बहुत तेज है, हम लोग पकड़ने की कुछ कोशिश कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको एक मैसेज देता हूं, अगर हो सके तो आप गांव-गांव तक पहुंचाइए इसे। एक कृषि प्रधान देश हिंदुस्तान पूरे दुनिया में एग्रीकल्चरल कमोडिटी का सुपर पावर बन सकता है। इंडिया कैन बिकम ए ब्रांड व्हेन इट कम्स टू एग्रीकल्चरल कमोडिटीज। ये तभी संभव है जब मेरी ये शिक्षा, जो आज तक अवेलेबल नहीं है, अगर ये शिक्षा हमको मिले तो आपका, जो मैंने कहा, हर घर एक सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर पैदा होगा। क्यों? 2 कारण है उसके। एक, मैं किसान हूं तो मैं जो भी मैं करता हूं उसमें मैं माहिर हूं, लेकिन बिजनेस में मैं माहिर नहीं हूं। उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? कोई गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम आती है, कोई एनजीओ मेरे पास आता है, कोई आता है, कोई पहुंचता है, कोई करता है। क्यों इतना लंबा चौड़ा नाटक कर रहे हो? ये एआई का जमाना है। You empower me with that knowledge. No, I will take care of myself. That's the problem. You don't want to empower me, but you want me to get dependent on you. Why you want to do that? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
मान लीजिए, मैं आपके एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं। चलिए, बिहार का एक रिमोट विलेज ले लीजिए। हम मानते हैं कि थोड़ा बहुत एजुकेशन सबको है, हिंदी तो हम समझ सकते हैं, तो बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट कोई रॉकेट साइंस तो नहीं है, कोई दूसरी लैंग्वेज तो नहीं है। अगर कोई मुझे एक डायरेक्ट एजुकेशन जो है अगर मुझे दे सकते हैं कि मैं कैसे अपना बिजनेस कर सकता हूं, संभाल सकता हूं, चला सकता हूं, मैं कोई भी काम कर रहा हूं, या मैं एक अच्छी जॉब भी अगर मुझे, आई होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस। फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम सेइंग एग्जैक्टली द पास्ट एंड द टाइम बैरियर वी आर ब्रेकिंग। Why should only elite and rich have this education? मुझे आप ये सवाल का जवाब दे सकते हैं? मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं कि अगर आज हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे सारे युवाओं को वो एजुकेशन मिले जो एक अमीर को मिलती है, तो क्या नहीं मिलनी चाहिए?
बिल्कुल मिलनी चाहिए।
तो क्यों नहीं मिलती? वही एप्लीकेशन आइए, आप समझ रहे?
बिल्कुल सर, इन नटशेल ये सेशन का ये अंतिम सवाल है। मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपका जो स्टार्टअप प्रोग्राम है, अगर हमारे किसान भाई, अगर हमारा यूथ, अगर कोई बंदा है जो आईटी में है, जो रिटेल में है, ये आपका प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करना चाहता है, तो सबसे पहले आपका प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करने का तरीका क्या है, पहली बात। और दूसरी बात, जो सबके मन में ये सवाल है कि आपका प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करने के बाद वो जीवन में क्या हासिल कर पाएंगे, उनके जीवन में क्या बदलाव आ पाएगा। दिस इज माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
ग्रेट। लास्ट फर्स्ट आते हैं। 2 बहुत सिंपल आउटकम्स हैं। एक, एज सून एज यू फिनिश माय प्रोग्राम, 2 चीजें होंगी। एक, you will get empowered to choose कि आपको अपना बिजनेस करना है या आपको जॉब करनी है। अभी ये शिक्षा आपको कहीं नहीं दी, आपकी डिग्री आपको नहीं सिखाती है, बताती है कि आपको क्या करना है, वो डिग्री देके आपको छोड़ देती है। जब आप मेरा प्रोग्राम करेंगे तो मेरा प्रोग्राम करने के बाद आपको वो नॉलेज मिलेगी जो आपको एम्पावर करेगी कि व्हाट यू रियली वांट। दैट्स द होल अप्रोच। नो, ये सारी मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर क्या बोलते हैं? डू व्हाट यू लव। मुझे क्या पता what I love? I don't know. Do you know what is love first of all? I don't know.
Love is pain.
I don't know. किसी के लिए पेन है, किसी के लिए प्लेजर है, किसी के लिए कुछ और है, किसी के लिए कुछ और है। लव का पता नहीं, लेकिन बड़ी बड़ी हेडलाइन चाहिए, टैगलाइन चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा जीवन में। Everything is logical work. If you in business, if you can't define in life, if you can't define anything, you are in a wrong direction. तो पहला ये चीज हमने किया है, क्लैरिटी एंड एम्पावरमेंट। एजुकेशन का यही काम था ना, क्लैरिटी। कौन सी क्लैरिटी मिली? 80% अनक्लियर, अनफिट। तो पहला ये होगा कि आप क्लियर होगे, क्योंकि वो नॉलेज मिलेगी जो इंडस्ट्री में, रियल लाइफ में जरूरी है। नंबर 1। नंबर 2, Suppose you decide to do an entrepreneur, become an entrepreneur, आपको पूरा इकोसिस्टम देंगे. ये पहली बार हिंदुस्तान में हो रहा है, इसीलिए हमने इसको स्कूल का नाम दिया है. गेट इन, गेट आउट, कंप्लीट. फिर ऐसा नहीं कि आपने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप करना है, आपको अपना बिजनेस करना है, स्टार्टअप करना है, तो ठीक है, फिर आप ऐसा कीजिए, स्टार्टअप बनिए, ये पिच करिए, इंक्यूबेशन चाहिए, कुछ नहीं. यू हैव डिसाइडेड, नाउ यू आर हियर. Now you are here with us and we will take you through. You have decided, that is important. Number one. So this is number two. Ek empowerment, clarity, choose. Third, if you want to go for a job, you will get that skills which the employer is looking. Employer is not looking for a degree holder, they are looking for entrepreneurial human being. और आज हिंदुस्तान में अगर कोई that's why I call it as a complete man and a complete woman, कोई अगर डेवलप कर सक रहा है, I think you are one of the best at the price and the cost of the time.
So one thing, sir. Again, this question came from your answer. Okay. So generally, we as an IT employee, okay. So many of us, they have in their dream like one day they'll start their own company, okay. Everyone who is having some 5-10 years, everyone have dream like that. So again, for them the budget is a problem. They want fund, okay. They are looking for someone who can invest in their business, okay. Is there anything like after completing your program, you will help them to get investment? How it is?
So I think I already answered, but yeah, this is more specific you are asking. That is the difference we are bringing. एक तो मैं आपको बताऊं, इस दुनिया में, in this universe, never it will happen, never it has happened, a person who doesn't want to be a self, let's say, do something of his or her own. Never. You are born entrepreneur. In my school, you understand that knowledge. You are a born legend. Some masters they call, no, you are legend and you don't know, find yourself and all that. You are actually legend born. Your degree has a problem. You created a legend as a beggar, I call it a seekers. तो पहली बात, entrepreneurial is your nature. You are doing a job, you are happy, God bless you, it's fine. Number one. Number two, the problem happens is, I am in IT, so I can do a business or I can build a startup is wrong. That is why 80% fails. People who succeed, if you look at it, the data says that majority of the startups that are getting success, they are succeeding. One of the co-founder has some high quality business management knowledge. And majority of them are from not India, from abroad. Let me complete this. Number one. So, first time I'm repeating again. It was not possible here in India to have an education. If I want to build a startup, even the consciousness is not there that I have to go through that business education. The degree and all that is ruled out, right? So this is the program we are bringing in. It's a short-term program and a very affordable cost, and saying that now you go all out, number one. Number two, don't only go all out, single point. So we are bringing in all value-added services, including funding. क्योंकि एक बात समझ में आनी चाहिए, because that's why schools are built. See, 99 out of 100 startups don't get funding. And these 99 people are trapped, they are desperate, and there's a scam going on. You have to stop all this. And that is why, so the answer to your question is, it's a complete ecosystem, transparent, trusted. You are part of life. So a school or education institution is supposed to be a part of life, right? Where it is a part of life? The day you are out, graduated, degree gone, that's all. Don't enter into the gate after that. It's not like that. So a school for life is what we are building. For entrepreneurs. So again I am repeating. For us it is entrepreneurship is not someone who is doing business. For us entrepreneurs, we are building entrepreneurial human beings. We are for life.
On a lighter note, I remember one thing. So you know Mark Zuckerberg. He is also college dropout. Okay. lot of my friends also. There is Dukan.com, Subhash Chaudhary is also called a college dropout. There are a lot of friends who are example who don't have proper education. They were college dropout. Okay, to build a billion dollar company. What thought you have? Like now people are following this. That is like don't complete the education and directly go into बिजनेस एंड हम इस पे काम करें। ऐसे लोगों को समाज में क्या समझना चाहिए और क्या ये जरूरी है कि हम लोग पहले अपनी प्रारंभिक शिक्षा है उसको कंप्लीट करें या कभी भी कर सकते हैं? ये जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है जो
amazing question. So this is again, I think this is important for you to, listen to me carefully. One, following, I told you, I actually, this word following is the lowest level of slavery. You are following because you are not empowered. If you are empowered, why would you follow? Number one. Majority of the youths, they are inspired because someone has done it. It is foolishness. Now the names that you took, you have any idea? I mean, especially if you talk about all the successful so-called billion-dollar companies for which we Indians would die to work.
Sure.
They do not exist here. They exist. Majority of them are in US. You have any idea how their culture works? What kind of education they go through? People die to go. They are not allowing us now to come in for even education. So if you are doing something by following someone, I would say stop right here, right now. Number one. And if you succeed, you may be lucky. That's all. Number two. Number three. I am no one to say whether you drop out or you drop in. I am saying your education is not giving you that knowledge which actually makes you an entrepreneurial human being, which is the need of the current society. And entrepreneurship means the first. So people are trying to copy me. They are doing so many things, but they will not be able to do for two reasons. They still don't understand that my way of teaching is entrepreneurship as a life, not as a business. Now imagine. So answer to your question is, first of all, what to do with the education? I say, let it go on. I don't want to disrupt or I don't want to, blame anything. My education will empower you whether you want to drop out or you continue or you do your jobs. But you will be empowered to choose. That's the purpose of the education. Now, there are so many things we can talk in terms of why when somebody drops out, how he becomes successful or she becomes successful. Many people might have been dropping out. But generally, if you see, the legions are kind of dropouts who have built.
Yes.
So there is a huge science and there's a lot of knowledge behind it. And majority of those drops out are from Western countries.
Yeah.
And actually this word itself is wrong. They are not actually dropouts. If you study deeply their education system, their entire education system is entrepreneurial education system. People don't want to understand it here in India. We are just some mad world is going here. Their entire society is an entrepreneurial society, and it is coming from that very education. What you learn here in graduation, they learn in class 10th. Do you know it? You don't know it because my entire program that I have designed, there is a university called Ontario. You know that?
Yes, Canada. Is in Canada.
You go to the entire Ontario University course, class 10th, they teach entire. So I don't want to really get into deeply here. But a dropout starting a business in US, a dropout starting in India, out of 1,000, one will succeed. And it will be little bit of, it's a journey that one has to go through, experience one has to go through. So what happens generally, people who drop out, they give more time learning things. By the time you are graduate and if you want to start something of your own, it takes time. But where's the time then? Then everything has to be fast because you have completed education, no? 22 years wasted. So I hope you got the lot of...
So thank you so much, Girish sir. So these all questions were from our friends. I have collected this question from around 25 my students, my friends, those who working in IT, and those who belongs to some of farmer background. So these all are the questions collected from them, and I was asking on behalf of them. So it was a pleasure talking to you, sir. One last message to everyone. Then we conclude.
Entrepreneurship is about doing job, not doing a business. Or entrepreneurship is about not doing a job but doing a business. Is the greatest lie ever told on this earth. Entrepreneurship is a way of life, the life of a legend. Come, learn, and experience the best version of yourself. That's all.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.